Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis. Today, we're diving into what could be the best Kobalt Mower Blade on the market. I'm excited to share everything you need to know about the Kobalt 20-inch multi-purpose push lawn mower blades. Let's get started. Kobalt has long been known for quality, and these multi-purpose mower blades are no exception. Designed to fit the Kobalt 40-volt lithium-ion 20-inch cordless electric lawn mower kit. These blades are crafted from hardened steel for durability and performance. They're made from alloy steel, ensuring they can handle tough mowing jobs. Easy installation, perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Designed for the Kobalt cordless electric mower, model number KDB 4016-06. Each set includes both right and left blades for a complete replacement. Superior cutting performance due to the hardened steel construction. Long-lasting durability means fewer replacements and more time mowing. Perfect fit for the Kobalt cordless mower, maintaining optimal cutting efficiency. They're designed for ease of use, making maintenance a breeze. In conclusion, the Kobalt 20-inch multi-purpose push lawn mower blades offer exceptional quality and performance. Tailored specifically for Kobalt's cordless electric mowers. With their durable alloy steel construction and ease of installation, they're a must-have for any Kobalt mower owner looking to maintain a pristine lawn effortlessly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unbiased product reviews. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, helping you make informed buying decisions. Remember, at Product Critique, we're dedicated to bringing you honest reviews and expert insights. Stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.